Hello and welcome to an absolutely freezing Skids and Donuts video. It's a couple of days after Christmas, so I hope you all had an absolutely fantastic day. And now you get to enjoy a video of me attempting to tint the windows on the BMW. It's not going to go well. Roll the intro. Just in case you want to follow this as a guide for whatever reason, I'll try and go through what I think you'll need. You'll need the actual tint itself. I'm using the Black Glass IX. It was about £35 on Amazon. You'll need a spray bottle. You can fill this with warm soapy water, and that will be a slip solution for the actual tint itself. Some skizzles, a felt squeegee thing, I don't know. You'll need to buy that. That doesn't come with this tint in particular. And one of these kind of razor blades, the small thin ones. Honestly, I think that's all you're going to need. I mean, you can watch the video and find out yourself. You'll need a few hand tools as well, because I'm going to take the actual door card out if I can be bothered. I think you do have to do that though to get the tint on properly. So, let's get to it. To take this door card off, I'm not too certain how to do it, and with how cold it is, I've already really hurt my hands. So, what I'm going to do is try and do it unconventionally. And this rubber seal that goes along here, I'm going to try and pry it slightly back with a screwdriver whilst pushing the tint down at the same time. But the first most important step is to clean the surfaces you're working on, outside and in. You'll want to clean all of the outside as well as all around as well at the same time, because the tint's going to go on there as you're cutting out what you need. Now, originally, I wasn't going to post this video, as in my mind, it was a complete fail. But I did want to share the experience to show that sometimes things just don't go to plan. And apparently, 3 of you really wanted to see me have a tantrum at window tint. Anyway, if you've managed to make it this far, consider subscribing and chucking us a like if you'd like to see more of my face on your screens. Alright, so once you've actually cleaned the outsides all around the trim and the door and the glass, and you've done the inside, and you've also cleaned the inside, we can get the tint, spray the window again, get the tint, put it on there, cut however much you need out, and then I'm going to do a line here, so this is tinted separately, and we'll do this first, because I think this will be the easiest one to do. Right, spray the window down a lot. Also, don't expect a professional job from me, please, because I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, I did watch a video on this, and if you give yourself a nice anchor like that, where you're basically sort of applying it, it helps with the cutting process. So, I believe we only need to cut around. Doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be where the black line around the window is. I'll try and show you shortly. If you can, cut it on the glass as well, and that way you don't ruin all of your trim, like I probably will inevitably. I've managed to crease it. Okay, we'll redo this one. Second time's the charm. Okay, so I've redone that one 3 times now. Just a heads up on this, it is not easy to do. And that's just one small thing. I've still got to do a back window, the side windows. I've done one window and I've been out here for like an hour. If you can afford to pay somebody like $250 to do it for you, just pay them. It's fun to attempt it and practice it, but yeah, get someone else to do it if you don't know what you're doing like me. I'm just trying out because I've always wanted to do it. And what I have learnt so far is the bit with the sticky, well, none of it's sticky, but the clear backing, that goes against the glass, and then when you take it off, because you'll flip it, it'll be what this should be. That might be obvious to some people. Even though I watched the video, I still forgot to do it that way. But it is what it is. I think this video's done for, man, for fuck's sake. Fuck it. In the end, the mix of the cold weather and not being skilled at these things in general caused me to call it quits. I've developed a good respect for the people who do this for a living, as it is not easy to do. Feel free to give it a try yourself though, and show me what you've done over on Instagram. And that's all for today, and I'll see you again on the next video. Take care.